in my last update, I made a video on how you can actually upload your videos on Rumble and also monetize on Rumble, which doesn't require you to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour. And a lot of people that have already watched that video are requesting for other platforms that are alternative to YouTube that they can actually use to monetize their content. So I made my research. I came up with this very platform which I've been trying for a while, which also allows you to monetize your content without 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour. Most of you knows about this platform, which you can actually use to upload your videos just like YouTube, which also allows you to monetize your content. Okay, so as you already know, YouTube allows you to monetize your content when you have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. You can see we have the For You section, we have the Explore section. This is basically the ones you are not actually following. You're gonna see a lot of brand, a lot of creators, a lot of channels on this very platform. You're gonna see a lot of categories that are supported on this platform. They have the news niche, they have the short film niche, TV niche, fun, sport, music, and a lot more. And for you to get started, first thing you need to do is to decide the niche you want to go into. All right, for instance, you can make videos about fashion, you can make videos about technology, you can make videos about AI, and a lot more. Right, so all you need to do is simply stick to what people are searching for. First thing first, let's check out the monetization criteria before you start making videos on this platform. All right, this is your own platform, and this is DailyMotion partner support. All right, so this is DailyMotion support, and this is the monetization page, and this is what they said here. When you are a creator, you have the opportunity to promote your content from DailyMotion profile and start monetizing your videos, okay, from your uploaded videos. All right, once you've unlocked monetization, remember this monetization is meant to be unlocked. All right, this is the only thing they require from you, and you have to actually fulfill it before you can actually unlock the monetization. It is not 1,000 subscribers, it is not 4,000 watch hour, it is basically 1,000 views. All right, so this is what they said here: unlock monetization. As a creator, you have to accumulate 1,000 views on your profile to unlock monetization. All right, that is the only thing they require of you. All right, so once you have 1,000 views on your channel, you'll be able to unlock monetization. And let me show you how the monetization will look like on each of your videos. All right, you're going to see this particular video is already monetized. You can see the monetization icon on this very video. All right, and if you come to this section right here, you're going to see we have the payout details, payout method, and a lot more. I'm going to be showing you that in the same video, but before that, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started properly as a beginner. So for you to get started as a beginner, what you need to do is simply go to your browser. You're going to search for DailyMotion partners. All right, partner program. Okay, so once you search for that, click on it. So you have to input your name right here. You can also input your email address and also select a password. Okay, then add your date of birth. Okay, you have to make sure that it is accurate. Okay, so I'm going to be adding 6th of June. Then click on sign up. All right, so we care about your privacy. Go ahead and accept the terms if you read through it. Okay, if you read and accept it, then you are good. All right, so our account is registered. Then this is what they say: the email verification. They're going to simply verify my email, so I'm going to check through my mobile phone to see if they sent something. The code is 7493. Okay, so click on the enter button, and boom, our account will be ready for us. All right, so on this very session, you can start uploading videos after saving all your details by clicking on the create video button, and you can upload something you want to upload. The second thing you have to do is to pick your niche. All right, you have to pick your niche, and for you to pick your niche, you have to look out for what is trending and what is actually getting good views. All right, on this very platform. If you click on the explore button, you're going to see videos of people and the type of videos that are trending and being displayed on the home page. Okay, so you just have to make sure you look through it. For you to know that, you need to actually go to Google Trend. All right, and click on the trending now button right here, and once you click on that, this is going to simply bring out a lot of stuff that are trending at the moment in different locations. All right, and it is now left for you to decide these are the countries that I want to target and these are the stuff I want to go into. Right, you're going to see we have businesses, we have also mobile, we have climate, entertainment, we have politics, and a lot more. Right, you can choose any country of your choice from this very section. and target. Okay, so this particular platform requires you to be authentic, and you have to be authentic. You don't just copy and paste on this video platform and expect to be monetized. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to actually put in the work for this to work for you. Just like I'm making this video right now, teaching you what you need to do to monetize on this platform. You can actually think about what you know very well and make videos about that. Once you make that video, you edit it with CapCut and you upload on DailyMotion. All right, so once you have your content fully created for you and you are now ready for monetization, what you need to do is simply log into your account on your DailyMotion studio. You can see this is the DailyMotion studio section. You need to actually click on this add video to be able to upload your videos. All right, and once you click on that, you have to select the video you want to upload on this video platform. All right, click on this. If this is not the title you want to use, you can actually remove this and talk about okay, so let's I want to add best online business to start now. Okay, then I have to add a description. You have to make sure your description is very much detailed. Okay, so conversation opener, let's just add that and also add the description right here. Okay, so once you have that in place, make sure you select the category now, which is very much important, so that your video will know where to go to. Okay, let's go ahead and select tech. All right, so once you select tech, then the next thing you need to do is simply add subtitle. If you don't want to add subtitle, you can leave it. Okay, and this one right here is going to simply generate the subtitle for you. Okay, once you upload that, so click on the next button. They are going to ask you if your video is for kids. Then the best answer is to select not for kids. All right, so that you'll be able to maintain your monetization. Okay, if this is AI generated, you have to simply tell them, okay, this paid partnership, this is just to show if brand paid you to make this video, which means this is not a brand deal, this is not a sponsored video, right? So click on the next button. The next thing you have to do is simply make sure that your video is public. You have to click on the save button and your video is going to simply go live immediately. All right, you can see right here the video is live already and we have 0 views right here, and automatically the video is monetized. All right, because the account has been activated for monetization. Okay, so you can see right here on this video section, you can actually embed this video on your website. You can share this video via the link. You can share it on YouTube, on Facebook, on X, and a lot of that. Okay, so if I click on this particular video right now, then we can play it from here.
Hey, join our Telegram community. It's all from John Francis.
And for you to know that this particular video is already monetized, but it is just published right now, we just publish it right now. Okay, go to your analytics. All right, go to your analytics and you should be seeing this section right here which says estimated earning. All right, so you can see nothing is here because the video was just published right now. And also another way to know if your video is monetized is to go back to that particular video and you're going to be seeing this monetization section right here. And for you to get more views to your video, I've already told you, you have to simply look out for what is trending on this particular space. Okay, whatever thing that is trending, and you know you can create that same type of video, you have to make sure you create your own and add more value to your own video. Right, the more videos you publish, the more visibility you give to your channel. That is how this thing works. It doesn't work overnight. It doesn't just work out overnight. You need to actually put in the work, stay consistent in it, and also you make sure you pay close attention to their terms and policies. Alright, don't violate their policy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next update.